FIREHAWK is the Cadillac of aircraft. The great tool that can accomplish every single mission.
With the 1,000-gallon tank that we have on board and our ability to rapidly take water from a variety of water sources, it allows us to have a very aggressive impact on the fire very early on. That first drop on the fire is a really significant game changer. We can put down most fires with maybe one, maybe two aircraft.
I love the power that it has. I love the speed that it has. And I love the fact that I feel safe when I hang out of it every single day.
Our ability to operate at night effectively with this aircraft is really a significant advantage. Our operation has been fighting fires with night vision goggles since early 2000. We're very proud of that, and we think that we make a huge impact with our ability to do that. We end up doing a lot of remote mountain rescues with our hoist. It is a life-saving piece of equipment on the aircraft. That gives us the ability to go into these rugged areas and effectively rescue someone on the ground where a helicopter may not be able to land.
Not every aircraft is capable of what the FIREHAWK can do. The FIREHAWK is always ready. It does it all.